So I'm hoping this will be a little bit of a unique treat. This is a Radio Shack TRS-80 Model 2 disk system. It's currently configured with one 8-inch floppy drive, although it has the capability of holding 3. I could not find any videos of anyone tearing these down, so I thought it'd be fun to open it up and look inside before I list it on eBay. It's a fairly substantial unit. It's basically about the size of a 1000-watt microwave. It's fairly heavy, but it would definitely be a lot heavier if it was fully configured. This is currently the only bay that has a floppy drive. The backstory on this is I got it from the local head of the TRS-80 fan club in my city, along with, oh boy, I think it was like 4 truckloads of stuff. A lot of this has just been in storage because I haven't had a clue what to do with it. Not really my personal cup of tea. This just kind of falls under stuff I do with work. I think it'd be cool to learn how to use TRS-80 stuff, but it's before my time. I think Apple IICs were basically, well, Apple IICs and early Apple stuff basically was what I grew up with. So yeah, this is part of a large collection of stuff. I think I have it down to about, I think I have 5 or 6 pallets of TRS-80 stuff I need to do something with eventually. So, yeah, this is, I guess, what it looks like. This is currently presumed non-working. There's something wrong with this power switch, which I'll figure out once I open it up. It's not in the best shape. It's pretty dirty. It was in storage for quite a while before I got it, and then I think I've been storing this stuff for like the last 6 years. So there's a little look around. Move the cable out of the way. See if we can get a good zoom in on this label here. I drop the camera down to eye level with the thing. There we go. Oops. So, yeah, there's the label. Looks like it's missing a screw. It has been serviced before. Let's zoom back out here. Because there's multiple, I guess, I don't know, warranty or security seals. Can't tell what it says. It's so wore out. Guessing it says opening seal voids your service warranty. Radio Shack Service Center. I suppose I'll zoom in on that so you can see for yourself. I think that's what that's gonna say. And I can't tell. I think it's been open since then. Not that it really matters, but I don't think there's any warranty left, let alone service centers. So I'm gonna pause and open this up real quick, and then I'll be back. Alright, so I'm freehanding this part because opening it didn't work out the way I thought it would. There's, let's see here. There's 4 screws that go around each side, and then there's 6 screws in the back that go around the back that hold the cover on. The cover slides forward, and one weird quirk, which I'm probably not going to be able to show very easily, was for some reason the floppy drive was preventing the cover from opening. So you have to open up the floppy drive door before you pull the cover off. Unless I was just pulling on it wrong, but it seemed to come off easier once I opened up that door. And boy, that is quite the floppy drive. Adrian's Digital Basement did a better video on these drives. I will probably try to link to it in the description. If I remember right, I think one of the motors runs off AC and one of the motors runs off DC, which was a weird issue that he was running into. And this internal cable does have the connectors for 2 more drives. And I think it might have the cabling for the power as well. Looks like that one and that one is the floppy drive power, and then I don't know what the story with this power line is, but I don't see any more of those. There's 2 of those, which I don't know what those are for. And it's filthy in here. Holy cow, spider webs and dirt and dead bugs. A little bit of corrosion and rust. Where's this fan spins? Oop. Yeah. Might be a little noisy. I think I heard it. Oh, no, not grinding. And then this power supply doesn't have any obviously bad capacitors, but I think I see something bad there. I forget if this is... Get in there. Upside down for me. See if I can zoom in, maybe? I think I need more light, but I think that little capacitor there is one of those ones that splits and explodes. Forget what they call them. I think it's a refill capacitor. So this is not something I will be plugging in by any means. The next owner will have to take the time to go through it and make sure everything's safe and working before they do anything, or they can YOLO it. Not my problem. Once it's theirs, whoever buys this can do whatever they want with it. But yeah, kind of cool. I'm not sure what I was expecting to see inside, to be honest. It's kind of odd how these blanks are just taped on. It's just like packing tape or whatever. I don't know if that's factory or if that's something somebody did. There's a hole there for a screw, but I don't see like a... Oh, yeah, there might have been a post. So that's interesting. That might not be factory. The switch, I think the switch is borked. I think somebody probably tried opening it and got a little too aggressive, and that ended up busting the switch. Oh, that's strange. That kind of interesting touch. And I'm gonna have to zoom out a little. This wiring harness, for some reason, is on a rubber band. It's another one of those things where I don't know if it's factory or not, but that's kind of interesting because it kind of keeps the wires where you want them. But yeah, I don't know. Kind of a neat look inside. Like I said, not sure what I was expecting. This isn't what I was expecting necessarily, but yeah. Sorry for the rambling, and thanks for watching.